Yo, peep this, knowledge clowns. Facts so bizarre, they'll turn your brain upside down. Koala fingerprints? Identical to yours, dude. That's some freaky fam. Imagine high-fiving a eucalyptus muncher. That'd be a way-out slam. Kangaroos hop on their tails like fuzzy pogo champions. Ain't that a hoot? While sloths move slower than molasses on a glacier, snoozing to the loot. Octopuses rock 3 hearts. That's some serious loving octopus. And a cat's purr heals you both like a fuzzy stress relief discus. The weight of ladybugs, yo, equals all of humanity. That's a buggin' revelation. So next time you see one on a rose, show some respect. It ain't no hallucination.